holidays from the Chicago Park District Wellness Team. My name is Brandon, and I'm going to take you through a sled push workout. A sled push workout, that's a boot camp, all right? We got 10 exercises that we're going to run through. 10 exercises right here. You get a sneak peek at them. We're going to do each exercise 30 seconds for 2 rounds, all right? Let's jump right into it. Go ahead and start jogging in place. The first exercise is going to be running in place. Ready, go. Take this as a little warm up here. So you don't have to go full speed yet unless you want to, but we're just taking this exercise to get warmed up. Keep it going, keep it going. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Nice, bring it down. Next exercise is going to be jumping jacks for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Jumping jacks, either right here or full jumping jacks. You choose. Each exercise is your exercise. So that means you get a choice on what level you want to do. Make it work for you. Make it fit you. Make sure you're pushing yourself. 10 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. We got squats coming up. For your squat, feet about shoulder width apart. Sit back into it. Chest, head lifted. 3, 2, 1. Go. Squats. Again, make each exercise your own. If you want to take it up a notch, add that jump. Or keep it right here. Let's go. 10 seconds. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Next exercise is going to be squat hold. So you're just taking that down position from your squat and just holding it right there. 30 seconds coming up. 3, 2, 1. Go. Sink down nice and low. How low can you go? Head up high. Heart lifted. Chest lifted. Sitting up tall. Sitting up strong. But how low can you go? Sit down deep. We got 10 seconds. Hang in there. You got this. Tell yourself, you got this. 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Nice. Next up, we got push-ups. All right, push-ups. One way to do these is going to be on your knees. Keep your body nice and straight. Lower down. Bring it up. Make sure no butts in the air. Bring your butt down with you. Keep your body nice and straight. Or you do on your feet. 3, 2, 1. Push up. Let's go. Choose how you want to do it. Keep your hands about underneath your shoulders. Or you can bring your hands in closer or wider. All right, just know that if you bring your hands in closer, it's more working your triceps. Hands out wide, working your chest. All right, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Bring it back up. Next up, we're going back to legs. We have lunges coming up. Bring your hands to your hips. One big step forward, big step back. Switch each time. 3, 2, 1. Lunge. Let's go. 30 seconds. Nice big step forward. You want to make sure you're stepping out nice and big. Your knee should come down over your ankle. Good. 10 more seconds. Lunge it out. Build those legs. 3, 2, 1. Nice. We're taking it back down to the mat, back to that push-up position. This time, we're doing mountain climbers. Again, keep your body nice and straight. Switch your feet right here. All right, or boom, boom. If you want more of a core workout, do it slow. If you want the cardio aspect, keep it going fast. 3, 2, 1, go. Either way, you're gonna get your core work in. But when you keep your legs moving quickly, it's keeping that heart rate up. You got this. Tell yourself, I got this. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Bring it back up. Elbow to knee. So with these, bring your hands behind your head. Feet shoulder width apart. Opposite elbow towards opposite knee. Switch each time. Working obliques and core. 3, 2, 1, go. Go at your own pace. You can take your time with these, or you can keep it with some speed. Just try to twist into it to really get those obliques going. 10 more seconds. You got this. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Next exercise, burpees. What's your burpee? You're either going to jump back, come down, jump back, come to a plank, bring it back in, bring it up. Or come down, step back, step up. All right? Go as fast as you need to, as long as you keep going. All right? 3, 2, 1, go. Full body exercise. Cardio, getting that heart rate up. Keep it going. We can do hard things. 5 seconds. And nice. Last exercise in round 1. Back to your core. We're doing Russian twist. With your Russian twist, all right, come to a seated position. You get the feet on the ground, twist side to side, or bring your feet up, twist side to side. All right, in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so not just your hands, but try to get that full twist in. Really working that core. 10 more seconds. Dig deep. It's worth it, trust me. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Round 1 complete. Take a quick moment. Grab a sip of water. Cheers to this workout. Cheers to you. All right, we're gonna run through that one more time, but this time we're gonna cut the exercise down to 20 seconds apiece. That means you gotta push a little harder, all right? Less time, try to push a little bit harder this time. All right, starting back off with jumping jacks. Ready? Go, 20 seconds. Let's go. 10 seconds. Choose your work each time. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Squats coming up. 3, 2, 1. Squats. All right. Maybe you want to try to do a couple jump squats this time. All right. Just to push a little bit harder. 5 more seconds. Switch it up. And good. Nice. Let's take it down. Take it down, take it down. Push-ups coming up. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. We can do hard things. We do hard things every day. You just gotta push yourself through it. Even when you get tired, you gotta keep pushing. People looking up to you, people watching. 3, 2, 1, nice. Quick break. Then we got lunges coming up. Last time, we did 4 lunges. This time, we're stepping back to rear lunges. All right? Add a jump if you want the extra challenge. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Either step back or add that jump. Let's go, let's go. 5, 3, 2, 1. Nice. We're getting there, y'all. Mountain climbers on deck. That means we gotta take it back down. Let's go. Mountain climbers coming up. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds right here. Let's go. Climb it out. Climb that mountain. Let's go, let's get it. Let's go, let's get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back up. 3 more exercises left. Looking good out there. Looking good out there. All right, back to elbow to knee. Coming up in 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. Let's get it. Twist it out. Knee up. 10 seconds. Let's go. Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. Nice. 2 exercises left. We got burpees on deck. All right? 20 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Push yourself. Motivate yourself. Y'all pushing me. 5 seconds, let's go. Nice. Last one. Finish strong, y'all. Russian twist coming up. Let's hit the ground. Let's close this thing out today. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Twist it out. Strong core. Because you are strong. We are strong. We in this together. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Nice work, y'all. Clap it up. Give yourself a hand. High five, boom. Good job. Hope you're feeling strong. Hope you got your sweat on and your heart rate up. All right, so the sled push workout brought to you by Chicago Park District Wellness Team. Close out with a couple stretches, reach up. Stretch your back, round it out. Open it up, nice chest stretch. Deep breath, inhale, reach up. Exhale, reach down, stretch those legs. Nice. Bring it up, one more leg stretch. Grab for opposite foot or grab for your foot. Always stretch those quads, those big muscles in the front of your legs. Other side. Hope you guys are in the Team Fit Box program. Great program in Chicago Park District. Competitive, fun, good teamwork. Get you in shape, keep you in shape. Deep breath, inhale, reach up. Nice and tall and strong. Exhale, arms down. Give yourself a big hand. Thank you for showing up. Thank yourself. Continue to keep up doing that work. Continue to drink your water. And let's keep it going. Good job, y'all.